Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best couple outfits is probably one of the most exciting ways for partners to express their unity and shared style. Whether you're heading to a special event, planning a vacation photo shoot, or simply want to add a touch of coordinated fun to your everyday lives, these matching ensembles are designed to make a statement, celebrating your bond through fashion and creating memorable moments that you'll both cherish. Number 5. Champion Men's Pullover Fleece Hoodie. Introducing the ultimate pullover fleece hoodie from Champion. Experience unparalleled comfort and timeless style with this essential piece. Crafted for perfect mid-weight warmth, this hoodie is ideal for year-round wear. Stay cozy without feeling weighed down. Showcasing the iconic C logo, this hoodie adds a touch of athletic heritage to your look. It's a subtle yet bold statement. Available in both regular and big and tall sizes, it's designed to provide a great fit for everyone. Find your perfect comfortable size. This is the pullover you'll reach for again and again. Perfect for casual outings or relaxing at home. Made with durable fleece, it's built to last through countless washes and wears. Enjoy lasting quality and softness. What we like? This hoodie offers a comfortable and classic look. Its mid-weight fleece makes it perfect for everyday wear. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish staple for your casual wardrobe, this is a great choice. What people say. The fabric is soft and breathable, perfect for warm weather. The design is unique and eye-catching, received many compliments. True to size and fits perfectly, very comfortable to wear. Number 4. Luna Bean Original Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Celebrate your special bond with the original hand casting kit for couples. It's the perfect way to create a lasting keepsake of your connection. This all-in-one kit provides everything for a simple and meaningful experience. With clear instructions, you can easily create a beautiful memento together. Looking for a thoughtful gift for your partner or a favorite couple? This DIY kit turns meaningful moments into a heartfelt keepsake that lasts forever. Our premium casting kit captures every detail with an ultra-precise mix. Anyone can create a professional-grade casting at home with our easy-to-follow instructions and video tutorial. Turn a special moment into a beautiful work of art. It's ideal for anniversaries, weddings, date nights, or any time you want to create something unforgettable together. Make a lasting impression with this unique DIY hand casting kit. It's a meaningful way to show you care, perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like? Capture a special moment with this unique hand casting kit. It provides everything you need to create a detailed, lasting memento of your connection. If you're searching for a deeply personal and creative gift for an anniversary, wedding, or just to celebrate your relationship, this kit offers a memorable experience. What people say. The detail was excellent, and the product behaved just as the directions described. The directions are simple to follow and the results is exactly what we expected. Great product. Excellent results. The instructions were clear, the process was easy, and it turned into a memory we'll always treasure. Highly recommended for couples or families looking for a unique way to celebrate a special moment. Number 3. Champion Women's Powerblend Jogger. Introducing the Champion Women's Powerblend Jogger. Experience unparalleled comfort and a relaxed fit, perfect for your everyday adventures. Crafted with a premium blend of cotton and polyester, these joggers offer exceptional softness and long-lasting durability. They feel great against your skin, wash after wash. With a comfortable waistband and ribbed cuffs, they provide a secure yet flexible fit. Move freely and confidently throughout your day. Whether you're lounging at home, running errands, or hitting the gym, these joggers are your perfect companion. Their versatile design complements any casual outfit. Elevate your athleisure wardrobe with these essential joggers. Discover the perfect blend of comfort, style, and performance. What we like? These joggers are designed for both comfort and performance. The Powerblend fabric ensures a soft feel and lasting wear. If you prioritize comfort during workouts or for lounging, these joggers are an excellent option for an active lifestyle. What people say. The fabric is incredibly soft and feels gentle against the skin. The pants have a relaxed fit, allowing for unrestricted movement and making them perfect for lounging around the house or running errands. The elastic waistband is adjustable and provides a secure yet comfortable fit. Additionally, the pants are lightweight and breathable, making them suitable for all year-round wear. The design is simple yet timeless, making them versatile enough to be worn casually or dressed up for a more put-together look. The pants come in a variety of colors, allowing you to choose the one that suits your personal style. The iconic Champion logo is subtly featured on the leg, adding a touch of authenticity to the overall design. The stitching is sturdy and shows no signs of wear, even after multiple washes. The fabric retains its shape and color, maintaining a fresh look over time. Number 2. COOFANDY Men's Hawaiian Matching Set. Get ready for your next vacation with this stylish matching set. Perfect for the beach or any summer outing. This two-piece outfit features a vibrant floral print on a classic button-down shirt and comfortable shorts. It's designed for ultimate relaxation and style. Stay cool under the sun with breathable fabric and a relaxed fit. The eye-catching flower pattern adds a touch of tropical flair. Whether you're lounging by the pool or exploring a new town, this set offers a complete and fashionable look. It's your go-to for easy summer dressing. Coordinate your style effortlessly with this matching shirt and shorts combination. It's the perfect way to capture the essence of summer. What we like? Embrace a fun, tropical aesthetic with this matching set. The vibrant Hawaiian print is perfect for sunny days and vacation vibes. If you're planning a beach trip, a summer party, or just want to add some flair to your warm weather wardrobe, this outfit is ideal for a coordinated, festive look. What people say. The fabric is lightweight and breathable, which was great for warm weather, and it didn't wrinkle badly in our suitcase. The colors and pattern look just like the photos, and it looked really nice in our vacation pictures. The set was comfortable, stylish, and perfectly fit the tropical, island theme. Number 1. GORGLITTER Men's Two-Piece Floral Shirt and Short Set. Introducing the perfect two-piece set for your next getaway. Designed for ultimate comfort and style, it's ideal for any sunny destination. Make a statement with this eye-catching floral print. It brings a touch of tropical flair to your vacation wardrobe, ensuring you stand out. The breathable button-down shirt offers a relaxed fit, perfect for staying cool on warm days. Wear it open or closed for versatile styling. Complete the look with the coordinating shorts. They feature a comfortable design for easy movement, whether you're lounging or exploring. This set is your go-to for cruise nights or beachside strolls. It effortlessly combines fashion and function for your travel adventures. Pack light and look great with this all-in-one outfit. It's the ultimate choice for a stylish and hassle-free vacation experience. What we like? Step out in style with this eye-catching floral vacation set. It's designed for a relaxed yet fashionable look, perfect for warm destinations. If you're heading on a cruise, a beach vacation, or attending a summer event and want a complete, stylish outfit that's ready to go, this set offers effortless coordination. What people say. The fabric is soft and comfortable, perfect for a casual day out. The matching design is adorable and looks great on both of us. The sizing was accurate and the fit was flattering for both men and women. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.